When the lights went out across Gary, many residents say hope did not.
2 weeks without no power is an experience that I don't want nobody to experience.
Thousands in Gary endured days, if not weeks, without electricity, which meant thousands of refrigerators emptied out after food was spoiled. Homes reached unbearable temperatures, and getting food on the table for some meant standing in long lines. But impacted residents say even during Gary's darkest days, the community provided much needed light.
If it wasn't for the community and the family, we're done.
Tonight, the Gary Community School Corporation teamed up with multiple organizations for a community giveback event.
Grab you one, sweetheart. Okay, go down there and fill it up, okay?
So many people losing power, we somehow found our power and became empowered to come together as a community.
Families received free school supplies, hygiene kits, snacks, and shoes. But organizers say the bigger goal was making sure they were not alone.
What we're giving away is just support. And I think sometimes people get caught up on the things that are being given, but it's really about the neighbors and about seeing people come together.
Tiffany Davis with Gary-based community group Butterfly Dreamz says the August 11th storm exposed challenges many families already faced before the lights went out.
Food insecurity, transportation, those things were already barriers before this storm. And you have a city that is not void of advocacy, void of passion and love. And I think what needs to happen is people continue to listen to us and not sweep those things under the rug and not dismiss them.
The power may be back, but many Gary families say the costs of going without it are adding up, and the recovery will take a lot more than flipping a switch.